Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, September 27, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. legit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, September 27, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng September 27, 2023 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, September 27, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 48 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 29.7 million pesos for September 27, 2023, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Wednesday, September 27, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Lotto result update.